welcome back to the channel, guys. We are in Fredericton in New Brunswick at Philthy Phily's to try out their poutines, their Philly cheesesteaks, their smash burgers. They got all kinds of yummy stuff, so let's go check it out. A lot of food to choose from here. Not sure what we're gonna get. All the students from So we ordered the poutine, we ordered the kid-size Philly cheesesteak, and we ordered the Big Texan, which has bacon, chicken, and pulled pork on it. So let's see if it's any good.
First up,
Check out this, if it's any good. Not like a Montreal poutine for sure.
nope.
But here's some pull. Let's see if it's any good. How's the sauce? Any good?
Different.
Different? Okay. But is it good?
It's good. It ain't Quebec. All right.
Let's try the Filthy Beast. That's what I'm calling it. Go. Dig right in. We got very loud music here. So we gotta keep talking.
All of the flavors together. Very good.
Seal of approval. Let's see
Come
if
and
we
try
get
it out,
any-
guys.
There
Really
you
good.
All right, there you go, guys. Like and subscribe. Come and check it out here in Fredericton, New Brunswick. Got it right. Got it right.